Whip gang was good. It's your boy B Bears with another video. Hey, look, it feels good, man. It's 61 degrees. I still got my jacket on. I'm even sick. But look, the rims are on the way, finally. So the next video will be me unboxing the brand new rims that we got coming. But today, I'm gonna take out along, man, since it feel good. I'm gonna take the top off the Vette, and we about to get some exhaust notes. We're about to get some drive-bys, some takeoffs, everything like that that y'all want to hear in that C8 Corvette. So 2020 mid-engine C8 Corvette. The 21 sounds just like it. So the mid-engine C8 Corvette, we're about to get takeoffs, drive-bys, like I said, everything, man, so y'all can hear it. I'm gonna do it in regular mode and performance exhaust mode, since I do have a performance exhaust on my C8 Corvette. We're gonna go down to Mexico real quick. We're gonna get that footage. We're gonna record it, have a good little video. So y'all stay tuned. If y'all got a C8 Corvette, if y'all got one ordered, 2020, 2021, doesn't matter. It's not the Z06, so you know, whenever that comes out, I need one of those. But we'll see, you know, how that goes. But anyway, but stay tuned. Turn your speakers all the way up so you can make sure you get the full effect of this video. We're about to get this cold start. It hasn't been on today yet. Cold start. We're gonna grab something to eat. Then we're gonna get some of these exhaust notes. Let's get it. Hey, the car is dusty. It's been dusty this whole time, so don't mind all of that. But anyway, let's get that cold start. You know, that's what we're waiting on. So since this is a video going over the exhaust tones and everything like that, right now I'm in sport mode. So the car is in sport mode. That's what it started up in. So I'm about to get in here. I'm gonna put the camera right by the exhaust to see if you guys can, you know, hear it idle down some. But I'm gonna get in here and I'm gonna put it on tour mode. So tour mode, the exhaust is gonna close up some and it should be a little quieter. So let's do that real quick. But I'm gonna put you guys by the exhaust. Go subscribe right now. Straight the button. Oh yeah, and by the way, we're at 6,598 miles on the C8 Corvette. Like I said, sport mode, so let me go turn this off. Heading to Mexico, man. These clips real quick.
Yes, sir.
Head down there, man. Knock this out. Let y'all hear the difference in these exhaust tones. Hope it ain't no traffic out here in Mexico. What we got out here? Mexico, baby. Alright, the first couple gonna be in sport mode. A couple drive-by, a couple takeoffs. Then I'm put in tour mode, let y'all hear the same thing. See if y'all, hear a big difference. But everything y'all gonna hear right now gonna be in sport and track mode. Right now, so I'm gonna just take off in tour mode real quick and see if it's way, a whole lot of difference. So here's tour mode. Cameraman. Yes, sir. Go ahead back to the crib from Mexico, man, and see what kind of footage we got. Don't sound good though.
Really do. It's like a speed bullet.
See what it sounds like from inside, but we got the roof off, so there's gonna be a lot of wind noise if anything, Mexico is fun. Mexico is fun. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a couple of exhaust notes, drive-bys, takeoffs, everything like that. I think it sounds pretty good. With the regular performance exhaust on the car, sound pretty good from the outside, man.
Yeah. Popping and stuff, too.
Yeah, I hope we got that pop and crackle on there. Yeah, one quick one right here.